Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Got the truck home. Yep. Worked on this truck before. Pretty sure the motor's messed up on it. Kind of right about it. Went ahead and pulled the oil pan. The wife, it's got a new engine in it. I don't know how she's going to feel about it. But
Hi, babe.
it needs a rod. What do you think about that, babe?
I knew it.
Why? Because I buy junk or what?
Usually.
I don't know. 85, short bed Chevy, 4-speed, LS swapped. But we got the bad news.
Sometimes you get good stuff.
We got the broken rod syndrome. Broken rod syndrome. Do. We shall rebuild.